All right guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the Spot Chasers channel. Today we are going to clean the bass boat pretty much. We're gonna clean all the carpet, all the outside, inside. We're gonna make it look spotless. The main thing we're gonna be doing is showing you how to clean the carpet though. There is a trick that a lot of people don't know about to make your carpet look brand new and shiny and smell good again. So we're gonna get into that, but make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, please, before we go into it. And without further ado, let's get into it. All right, first step you're gonna wanna do is you are going to want to clear out everything in your compartments inside your boat. Rods, tackles, life jackets, all of it gone. Get it out of the boat, set it in the garage, set it somewhere, because you're going to be using a hose in the next step. All right, once you have your entire boat cleaned out, every compartment, everything gone, empty, you are going to want to grab your vacuum. The next step is to clean all these compartments out, wipe them out, vacuum it out, and get ready to wash the boat for the shaving cream. All right, once you got all your stuff wiped out and vacuumed out of your boat, the next step is to close all the compartment lids, get ready to wash down the boat carpet and start putting shaving cream on the boat. All right, once you got your boat and carpet completely rinsed off and rinsed down, it's time for the messy slash fun part, and that is to apply the shaving cream. And we use 7 cans of shaving cream, I believe we have, maybe 6, but you're gonna wanna use, I usually use 3 up here, 3 in the back, 1 in the middle, or 2.5, 2.5, however you wanna divide it up. You just need to make sure it gets in there really, really good and scrub it really good with a hard brush. All right, while Coop finishes up, we're rinsing out the boat and the floor. We have rinsed all of the shaving cream off, and now it's time for the last step, or next to last step, is vacuuming. Get you a shock vac and make straight rows down. It brings the carpet up and it makes it look better and smell better. So let's get that done real fast. All right, just got done vacuuming the front, and this is what it's gonna look like when it's done. Nice, clean, smooth. It makes the carpet, the vacuum makes the carpet pick up good. That was what it was. That's what it is. Very nice and clean. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all continue to support and like the channel. We very much appreciate it. And y'all have a great rest of your day.